to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get latest information for your gadgets. And today we are going to talk about a variant which is from HP's book. How good. Now, when we talk about HP series, when we talk about HP Pro book, there are n number of gadgets which comes in our mind. And when we talk about Pro book, then there are few specifications, few things which are definitely mandatory for that. ProBook series by HP was definitely developed out or created for specifically for the corporate world out there. We can say that it was basically designed for the corporate world out there, and which is actually based out with a security chip system of TPM 1.2 out there. But this has been upgradations in this. Now you get to see TPM2 technology security chip system. Along with that, you get to see Windows operating system and Windows 10 Pro operating system with 64-byte technology out there. So there is definitely an upgradation in this. Apart from that, if you talk about this variant, if you talk about this version, then we can say that this variant is offering you a great range of specifications, a great range of functionalities. Talking about this variant, then we can talk about the internal functions. And when we talk about the internal functions, then we can say that it uses Intel Core processor of i5 up to 8th generation. Yes, up to 8th generation Intel Core i5 could be used out. This is definitely a great functionality. Apart from that, you get to see that it is offering you a max turbo speed of 3.4 gigahertz. 3.4 gigahertz max turbo speed could be seen out along with 1.6 gigahertz clock speed out there. Apart from that, you get to see number of cores in this, or we can say it is a quad core processor out there. It is a quad core processing system, quad core processor out there. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you Intel Turbo Boost Speed technology too. So this is really good that Intel Turbo Boost Speed technology could be seen out in that two version. Apart from that, you get to see that it has got a cache memory of 6 MB storage. So cache memory has got a good capacity, that is 6 MB storage out there. Basically designed for the corporate world, so it needs to have a good RAM, it needs to have good storage, it needs to have good cache memory. So it offers you a RAM quality of 8 GB. Yes, the installed RAM, if we talk about the installed inbuilt RAM out there, then that is 8 GB RAM out there. Along with that, you get to see 2400 megahertz memory speed. 2400 megahertz memory speed could be seen out in this variant. That is definitely an amazing version. As well as when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant is offering you a configuration, that is the way arrangement out there, that is one slot for 8 GB. You get to see that variant, and you get to see that it offers you DDR4 type RAM variant. So RAM variant out there, or the type of RAM inbuilt in it, it is DDR4. Along with that, you get to see that this variant has got an expandable size, or the maximum support size out here, which is 32 GB. So you get to have 32 GB maximum support size. Now this support size is nothing else, but there are two dedicated slots out there, and each slot offers you 8 GB storage out there. So each slot is offering you 8 GB, and already 8 GB inbuilt storage is there. So overall you get to have 32 GB storage size. Now talking about this variant, talking about this version, and you can say that there are definitely expandable things allowed in this variation, but it need to have 2400 megahertz speed. Yes, 2400 megahertz speed is required. Along with that, you need to have DDR4 RAM type only, then it will be supporting this version. Talking about this variant, then we can say that this variant offers a good storage size in the hard drive, because hard drive is also an important part. And talking about the storage in hard drive, then it offers you 500 GB storage. So 500 GB storage is seen out in this variant. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you 7200 RPM. So rotation per minute is there, that is of 7200 RPM. It clearly means that the processing system is quite good, and since it is offering you a spindle speed of 7200 RPM, then it offers you HDD type variant. Yes, it is offering you HDD type variant out there. Talking about this variant, then we can say that this variant works very well with the environmental harsh factors, all the environmental harsh factors out there. So HP has designed its variants accordingly so that it works very well with these harsh factors. Talking about these factors, let us talk about the display also, which is offering you LED backlight display. LED backlight display along with a white screen and TN technology and HD plus resolution. So these kind of things will be seen out HD plus resolution, TN technology, LED backlight technology inbuilt in it, LED display out here. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you 45% of RGB out there. Yes, sRGB of 45% HD plus resolution. Along with that, it offers you anti-glare. So these kind of technologies or monitor featuring are also seen in this variant. Apart from that, if you talk about the screen size, then we can say that it offers you 43.9 centimeter screen size, which is definitely a good variant out there. 43.9 centimeter, that is 44 centimeter approximately, offering a good screen size. But when we talk about the screen size, then we can say it offers you great functionality too. Great functionalities like if we talk about multimedia, if we talk about any work process, then these kind of functionalities also work well. Now, talking about multimedia, let us talk about the graphical point also. Talking about the graphical point, then we can say that it uses Intel's Ultra HD graphics. Yes, it uses Intel HD Ultra graphics, or it might also use NVIDIA GeForce out there, which is also a possibility. Look, there are two different variants available in the market. Along with that, there is a multi GPU configuration out there, which offers you integrated GPU, or it might use one single GPU card. So there are variants, so you can customize it accordingly. Integrated webcam could be seen out there along with dual array microphone and stereo type speakers. Apart from that, you get to see a keyboard out here with a clip pad that has touchpad out here, offering you gesture controls, volume control, spill resistance, multi-touch. So these kind of things could also be seen in this variant. Apart from that, a Bluetooth class 2 Wi-Fi connectivity, inbuilt apps out there by HP, Microsoft out there, a good battery life and a non-optical drive. And when we talk about these non-optical drive out there, then we can say that it offers you audio input output jack, USB connectors, SD card readers, power jack. These kind of connectors could be seen out there for the other purposes. Now talking about this battery life, then we can say that it offers you 3-cell lithium ion battery life, offering you 13 to 14 hours work timing. Yes, 13 to 14 hours work timing, along with a good battery capacity of 48 volts. Yes, 48 volts battery capacity of 3-cell lithium ion. So this is all about this HP Pro Book 470 out here. So let us talk about the pricing also. Talking about the pricing, let us talk about the site. That is justatclick.com. Here we were already searching about HP Pro Book. So let us search this HP Pro Book only. 470 out here, and now we are at justatclick.com. We were already searching this here, and justatclick.com is an amazing site out here, which helps us to know our favorite gadgets in a very pocket friendly rates and in a very limited format. This site actually helps us to customize our gadgets. Yes, this site helps to customize our gadget with we can say really amazing functionalities, as well as you get to see that the gadgets are in quite pocket friendly rates. So the site name is justatclick.com, which offers you hassle free shopping definitely. So let us search this gadget here. So this is the result, and as we were saying that this offers you customizability options, so you can have a small description at the top, and you get to see a small description at the bottom also. You will get to see that they are offering you great pricing, a best marketplace with a great pricing out there, as well as there is a condition written refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition so that we know about these products. Talking about the refurbished products, or we can say the refurbished brand out here, we can see that refurbished and brand new are quite same products. They are similar like products out here, we can say that. Now, when we say brand new, what does this mean? This means that this is something absolutely newly like or new product out here directly from the company. Whereas refurbished means creating something newly like that, a pre-owned gadget that has been brought up in the market, making it again something brand new. Like this is what refurbished means. So talking about refurbished and brand new, does they differ in design, functionalities, anything else? No, they do not differ in their designs. They do not differ in their functionalities. They have the same functionality, design, test is out there, the capturing capacity, working, everything is same. But what differs out is the pathway which is involved in this. And when we talk about the pathway, then we can say that there is a pathway which includes base, mediator, and consumer. This is a common pathway. But for brand new, if we talk about brand new, then we can say that Base is the company which releases the gadget out. Yes, Base is the company which releases gadget out in the market. Whereas this marketplace, the mediator is the point bridge out here, which is included in company and the user out there. Talking about the company out there and the users, this marketplace is a vast space out here because there are a lot of change involved in this marketplace. So overall, we see the marketplace. Now, when we talk about this marketplace, this helps the user to collect their gadgets out there. They get the gadgets, they have the gadgets out there. Now, the user has that gadget, that pre-owned gadget is brand new gadget out here. Now, this pre-owned gadget, it wants to be resold. Now, the gadget is going to be resold by us. We are the users out here. Now, what happens? This user from brand new becomes the base for the refurbished product and wants to resell them. When we want to resell them, then it has to be checked that all the functionalities are being done properly or not. Because pre-owned gadgets are, we can say, once used product. Yes, they have been once used. Now they are brought up in the marketplace, vast place out here definitely. So marketplace. Now they have been tested and verified, brought up in the site, and now another user buys this product. Yes, now another user buys this product and is brought up in the market by first user to another user. Now, what does this differ? How does they differ? They differ in the testing sites. Yes, there is a difference in the testing site. Testing parameters are same, structure is same, everything is same. But difference lies out in the testing sites out there. Now, talking about the testing site, how does the testing site differs? Talking about the testing sites, then we can say that brand new products are tested within the company as well as various other sites. There are various sites where company tests is before bringing out into the marketplace. But what happens to the another users? What happens to another users out here? Pre-owned gadgets, or that is the refurbished products. They are tested, verified, and sold up on the same site which is responsible for testing it. If you have a site which where you are reselling it, they only have to test it, verify it, and resell that product. So this is what happens in the refurbished gadgets. Now, talking about refurbished gadgets and brand new gadgets, they are actually same in the structurality, functionalities, test is out here. So let us talk about the parameters which are involved in testing these gadgets because parameters plays an important role in every gadget. Talking about these parameters, so we can say that there are a list of parameters which are classified basically into external and internal parameters. There are two basic parameters are there, external parameters and internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say that external parameters are nothing else but the gadgets or the external factors which are involved there. And when we classify them, we can say that they are actually the parameters uh, which we see through our eyes. Like external parameters does not require any component, equipments, robots, software. These are not required because they can be easily seen through eyes. Like if we talk about the design, then we can directly see it. We can compare the design. If we check about the scratches, if we talk about the buttons, functional keys, touchpad, mouse control, the arrows, volume button, even the pots. There are pots, whether the pot are working or not. These kind of things could be seen. The display type, camera, resolution, each of the things which can be directly checked out through the, we can say, gadgets. So these are the things. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that refurbished products, external parameters are checked without any such softwares. Once it is classified, then it is moved on to the internal parameters. Talking about the internal parameters, we can say that internal parameters include nothing else but the internal functional keys, internal gadgets, internal softwares, internal elements, which are to be tested with robots, equipment, softwares. So they need some specialized things for their working. Now, once it is checked out, you have to check the internal processor, graphical processor, video support system, cache memory, RAM, hard disk out there, optical drive applicable, connectivity, Bluetooth, the internal display type, each and everything out there. So once they are verified, they are checked out, then we can say that they offer you a good range in the internal components. What would happen if there is any default? They have to be replaced, they have to be renewed with the original parts from the company, so they are in a good quality, they provide good service out there. Talking about this kind of variants, then we can say that they are classified and certified just like brand new. The way brand new is certified and is classified, that that is absolutely ready to use in the market, same way happens in the refurbished product. Now talking about the refurbished products and brand new, there are few differences, or we can say benefits out for refurbished products. Talking about the benefits, number one is the pocket friendly rate. You get to have pocket friendly rate out here. You get to see the pocket friendly rates. So what are these pocket friendly rates? These are nothing else, but we know that brand new products are actually expensive gadgets. They are slightly expensive, whereas you have refurbished products in a pocketable rate, that is a pocket friendly rate out here. Apart from that, if you talk about these two parameters, if you talk about these two functionalities, then we can say that brand new and refurbished have a difference in their pricing. So you get to see that the pricing difference allows you to have a good range of savings. Yes, you get to have a great range of savings out there. Since you have a savings, what would happen to the warranty period? Because we know brand new products offers you 1 year warranty out there. And pre-owned gadgets usually don't offer you warranty period. But if you have a category called refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty along with 7-day exchange policy. These are the two additional benefits of having refurbished products, because you get to have 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy also. Talking about these products, talking about these variants, we can talk about the site again, the site we were visiting out. Let us visit that first. We were at justatclick.com. Yes, we were at justatclick.com. This site is nothing else but a online website which allows you to have your favorite gadgets in your pocket friendly rates. And the name itself suggests just at click. Just at a click, you can get your favorite gadgets out there. Apart from that, if you talk about this website, then this website allows you to have customizability option. Now, what is this customizability option? This is nothing else but a option or a variant out here which allows you to customize your gadget accordingly. Yes, you can customize your gadget accordingly. You can customize the RAM, processor, storage, whatever things can be customized or have been customized, or the option is available for the gadget by the company. You can customize those things. Apart from that, you get to have COD out there. Yes, you get to have COD, and as well as you get to have free shipping. You get to have free shipping, COD. Since it's an online website, so you get to have an hassle free shopping out there. You will not be like contacting in much in, so that you can have a social distancing out there. So there is a hassle-free shopping out there. Along with that, money back guarantee and online support system is provided out here, and you can search your gadget in the search icon, which helps to search your favorite gadgets in a very limited format. So you can visit our website for best pricing. Along with that, if you would like to order, you have the number in the description box, or you can go on website and check out your favorite gadgets for the best pricing. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.